Welcome back to this new tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Here, you will learn how to use the filter function. Filter function is basically used for filtering the data based on conditions. In this Excel sheet, there is a data of products and their stock quantity. The requirement here is to create report on stock out products, low stock products, and sufficient stock products. If the stock quantity is 0 unit, it is stock out. If the quantity is greater than 0 unit and less than 20 unit, it is supposed to be low stock, and if quantity is greater than or equal to 20 unit, it is supposed to be sufficient stock. In this case, we can use the filter function. Let's get started. First, convert the source data to table format so that when new products are added in the source, formula will dynamically capture the new products as well. For this, select the source data. Press Ctrl+T in the keyboard. Click on OK, which converts the data into table format. Click on the table name box and put stock data. Then press Enter. For stock out report, click on this cell and apply filter function. In array parameter, put the table name, which is stock data. In include parameter, put the condition, that is available stock column of stock data table should be equal to 0. For this, put the table name and open square bracket, then choose the available stock column by double-clicking. Close square bracket, then put equal to 0. In if empty parameter, you can put the value that you want to display if no record is found that meets the given condition. Let's put not found inside double quotes. Close the formula and press Enter. Here you see, this is the stock out report. Next, for the low stock report, use the formula same way by changing the include parameter. In include parameter, open two brackets, then put available stock column is greater than 0 unit, multiplied with available stock column is less than 20 unit. This is the report on low stock products. Next, to make sufficient stock report, use formula by altering the include parameter, which is available stock should be greater than or equal to 20. This is the report on sufficient stock. So, that was about how to use the filter function in Excel. If you want to practice this, download this workbook file from the link in video description section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.